me introduce myself. My name is Dela Yuliarlia and PM 244-11030, University Technocrat Indonesia and Faculty Economy and Business, majoring in Management.
Understanding Law on Business Law, a comprehensive quiz. This presentation provides an in-depth look into the fundamental principles of law and their specific applications within the business world. From foundational legal concepts to the intricacies of commercial transactions, we will explore how legal frameworks shapes our society and influence every aspect of enterprise. Introduction to business law. Why it matters. Business law, also known as commercial law, is a distinct area of law that governs business and commercial transactions. It encompasses the regulations and legal principles that dictate how business are formed, operates, and dissolve, as well as how they interact with customers, employees, suppliers, and competitors. 1. Risk mitigations. Understanding business law helps entrepreneurs identify and mitigate potential legal risks, protecting assets and preventing costly disputes. 2. Ensuring compliance. Compliance with legal requirements from labor law to consumer protections is crucial to avoid penalties, fees, and reputations damage. 3. Strategic decision making. Legal law informs strategic business decisions, enabling companies to pursue opportunities while staying within legal boundaries. And then, for any individual involved in commerce, from a small startup owner to a CEO of a multinational corporation, a solid grasp of business law is not merely beneficial, it's essential. It provides the framework for ethical operation, fair competition, and sustainable growth in a dynamic marketplace. Employment law. Navigation the workplace. Employment law guarantees the relationship between employee setting standards for working conditions, rights, and responsibilities. It is crucial area for business to navigate to ensure fair treatment, prevent discrimination, and maintain a productive workforce while avoiding legal liabilities. Key areas of employment law: hearing and firing, regulation concerning job applications, interview, background checks, and termination process, including wrongful dismissal. And wax and hers, law relates to minimum wage, overtime, pay, break, and classification of employee exempt vs non-exempt. Workplace safety mandates for providing a safe and healthy working environment, often overseen by agencies like occupational safety and healthy administrations. Discrimination and harassment prohibition against discrimination based on protected characteristics, race, gender, age, religions, disability, and mandates for preventing workplace harassment. And then employee benefit. Regulation regarding health insurance, retirement plans, family and medical leave, and other benefits. Adherence to employment law is not just about avoiding lawsuits. It's about fostering a positive work environment, enhancing employee morale, and building a strong reputation as a responsible employer. Regular training and clear policies are essential for compliance. What is law? A foundational overview. At its core, law is a system of rules created and enforced through social or governmental institutions to regulate behavior. It's a complex and ever-evolving body or principle designed to maintain order, protect rights, resolve disputes, and promote justice within a society. 1. Order and stability. Law provides a practical framework for human interactions, preventing chaos and fostering a stable environment for individuals and organizations. 2. Resolution of disputes. When conflict arises, a legal mechanism obstructs process for peaceful and fair resolution, avoiding self-help or violence. And 3. Protection or rights. From fundamental human rights to property rights, legal system safeguards individuals and entities from harm, justice and infringement. And 4. Promotions of justice. Laws aim to ensure fairness, equality, and accountability, striving to rectify wrong and create a more equitable society. Understanding the nature of law is crucial for critics and business alike, as this case principally action outline obligation, consequences for transactions. It's a dynamic file, constantly adapting to a social change, technological advancements, and ethical standard. Key takeaway and Q&A. We have covered a wide range of topics emphasizing the foundational role of law and the specific importance of business law in shaping successful and ethical enterprise. 1. Law as frameworks. 2. Legal system structure. 3. Business law imperative. 3. Contractual clarity. 4. Protections. 5. Employment standard. 3. Strong governments. And 4. Protection. 5. Employment standard. 6. Strong governance, and 7. Dispute relations. Contract, the backbone of business dealing. Contracts are foundational to virtual every business interactions. They are legal binding agreements between two more parties that outline mutual obligation and right, providing a framework for reliable transaction and recourse in case of breach. 1 over to a substance. 3. Considerations for legality. 5. Capacity. Understanding this element is crucial for drafting, negotiating, and enforcing contracts efficiently. A well-drawn contract can prevent misunderstanding, protect interests, and ensure predictable outcome in business relationships. Corporate governance, ethics, and responsibility. Corporate governance refers to the system of rules, parties, and process by which a company is directed and controlled. It involves balancing the interests of a company many stakeholders, such as shareholder, management, customer, supplier, and financial government and the community. And then 1. Board of Directors oversees management, state strategy, and ensure accountability to shareholders. 2. Accountability. Accountability implement system for financial reporting, internal control, and risk management. And then 3. Ethics and transparency. Establish ethical codes of conduct and promotes open communication and disclosure. 4. Regulatory compliance. Ensure adherence to all applicable laws, regulation, and industry standards. Stakeholder engagement. Consider the interests of all parties affected by the company operations. The legal system, structure, and key players. A functional legal system comprises various components playing a vital role in the creation, interpretation, and enforcement of law. These components ensure checks and balance and facilitate the administrations. 1. Legislative branch. Responsibility of creating law, structure, acts, and codes. These typically include parliaments, Congress, or other elected bodies that deliberate, debate, and enact legislation based on social needs, a policy objective. And then 2. Executive branch. Charged with implement and enforcing law. This branch often led by a president or prime minister. Also includes governments, agencies, and departments that administer regulation and policy derived from enacted law. And then 3. Judicial branch. Tasked with interpretation law and applying them to specific cases comprising court of various levels, from local to supreme. This branch resolves disputes, review the legality of legislative and executive action, and ensure laws are applied fairly. Beyond their branch, various legal professionals and entities are dispensable. Attorney or lawyers represent clients in legal matters, over counsel and advocates in court. Judge oversees court proceedings, interprets law, and render decisions or sentences. and juries, citizens panel that determine fact and deliver verdicts in trial, law enforcement, police and their agencies responsible for investigation crime and maintaining public order, legal scholar, academic and research of analysts and contribute to legal theory and development. Intellectual property, protecting your innovations. In today's knowledge economy, intellectual property is often a company's most valuable asset. It drives to creation of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, design and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Protecting is vital for maintaining competitive advantage and fostering innovation. And 1. Patents protect inventions, granting the inventor exclusive right to make, use, and sell their inventions for specific periods, typical 10 years. And then 2. Trademarked protect brand names, logos, slogan, and other identify marks used to distinguish goods or service for those of competitor. And then 3. Copyright protect original literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic work, giving creator exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, perform, and display their work. 3. Trade secret confidential business information that provides a comprehensive aid, such as a formula, parties, design, or compilation of informations. Business must implement robust strategy including registration, licensing, and enforcement to prevent infringement and capitalize on their greatest asset value. To do so can lead to loss of revenue, competitive disadvantage, and legal disputes. Investor.
Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.